Hello friends, this is Gerd again from Reischauer. Today I would like to talk about a special type of mintings. Mintings made of 2 or 3 different components, possibly in different materials as well. Please enjoy. The first minting I would like to discuss is made of 2 single components. An outer ring in copper, gold plated. The ring is ball polished. The second component is the inner core, also in copper but silver plated. The piece is ball polished too. When we mint, we put first the ring in the tool, then we add the inner core. Both fits perfectly together. When minted, we get this piece. As you can see, we do both simultaneously, assembling and minting. Here you can see the finished piece. We have added a blue printed ring in the middle. The piece is 45 mm in outer diameter and approximately 45 gram in weight. The second minting I would like to discuss is much more challenging. It is made out of 3 different components. The outer ring in copper, gold plated. The piece is ball polished. The inner core, also in copper, gold plated and ball polished as well. Here we do have a second ring in a polymer material. It is green in color and translucent. When we mint, we put first the outer ring in the tool, then we add the polymer ring, and then we add the inner core. All 3 components fits perfectly together in the tool. After minting, we get this piece. As you can see, we do both simultaneously, assembling the 3 components as well as minting. Here we go. The same story, but a little bit different now. We have produced a medal made out of 2 components, a metallic ring in silver 333, and a core in a polymer material which is colored. This is the polymer core before coloring. It is transparent. And this is the core after coloring. It is still translucent. When we mint, we put first the metallic ring into the tool, then we add the polymer core. And this is the result. When minted, again, we do both simultaneously, assembling and minting. As you can imagine, we do have a lot of possibilities. We can work with different metallic components and a plastic material as well. The plastic material could be translucent or it could be colored. If you have your own idea for this application, please let me know. Thank you for your attention and stay safe.